Hi everyone, this is a course of writing research papers, and in today's lecture I'll continue talking about MLA style. Let me just remind you of what we discussed in the previous lecture. In the previous lecture, I explained to you what is meant by MLA style and why we are using something like MLA when we write a research paper. Well, MLA style stands for Modern Language Association style, which is used in humanities like history classes, art classes, language classes, and geography classes, etc. Well, the reason why we are using MLA style is that when we write a research, we use many sources. Okay, we use many books, many articles, okay, many sources, and in order to avoid plagiarism, we need a style for citing these sources. So the MLA is a style for citation, for documentation, and it is used in humanities. And previously I explained to you how to cite a source written by one author inside your text. Now let us figure out a little bit more about other kinds of sources. In the case of having a source which is written by two authors, we need to list both last names in the order they appear in the source, like we do here with Best and Marcus. Best and Marcus are last names of two authors. It is an example just to explain this case to you. Here is the example. The authors claim that surface reading looks at what is evident and perceptible in texts. Best and Marcus 9. So this Best and Marcus 9, this is the page number, all written in inside parentheses. This is the source which is used in this sentence. See? Okay, so this is how to cite a source written by two authors inside your text. Okay, when you want to cite a source inside your text, that source is written by two authors. This is how to do this. Okay. In the case of having a source of three or more authors, list the first author's last name and replace the other author's last names with et al. Just like et al is a Latin word and it means and others. وآخرون in Arabic, okay, وآخرون. So just like the example, only the first author's name is shown here. Examine this example. The authors claim that one cause of obesity in the US is government-funded farms subsidies. Frank et al. 34. See, inside the parentheses is the source used, and of course there's a period missing here. Must be outside the parentheses. Okay, so this is how to cite a source with three or even more authors. For works with no author, use a shortened version of the title. Just for example here, when we don't have an author's name, okay, we need just to use the shortened version of the title. This is an example. North America has more readily accessible climatic data and more comprehensive programs to monitor and study environmental change. Impact of global warming. Impact of global warming, page 6. So this is inside the quotation, okay? Impact of global warming is a shortened version of the title. There's no author's name, and we just write the page number and all inside parentheses. Okay, after that we write a period or the full stop outside the parentheses. For more explanation here, what it looks like with no author. Ownership of green homes, okay, 5. So this is the in-text cited source, okay, and it is a title, but it is a shortened version of the title, which is here, shortened title from ownership of green homes expected to increase rapidly. This is the title, in fact, but when it was cited inside the text, okay, of the research, it was shortened, okay. يعني من نريد أن نستخدم أو نوثق عمل أو مصدر لا يحتوي على اسم كاتب، نستخدم صيغة مختصرة للعنوان، أوكي، وليس العنوان كاملا وإنما صيغة مختصرة للعنوان ورقم الصفحة وكل ذلك في داخل أقواس، وبعد ذلك نضع period full stop. Okay, that's all for we have more. How to cite common knowledge. Okay, if a phrase is common or universally known, such as a proverb, then no citation is needed, though quotation marks are still required. For example, Aristotle advised like activities produce like dispositions. This is a proverb, okay? It is universally known. It is said by Aristotle, and it doesn't need a citation. Okay, we don't need to cite this because it is a proverb that is already known by everybody, and but we still need quotation marks because we need to tell others that this is not our words. Okay, so this is all for today's lecture, and hopefully next lecture we'll continue talking about works cited page according to the MLA style. Feel free to write, to send me any question you have, and I thank you for listening and have a good day.